Today I'm going to teach you how to install Form Vibes in WordPress. This plugin is a fantastic tool for capturing and managing form submissions directly within your WordPress dashboard, making it much easier to track leads and user interactions without relying on external services. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply open your web browser and navigate to your website's admin area by typing in your domain, followed by /wp-admin. For example, if your site is example.com, you would enter example.com/wp-admin, enter your username and password to access the backend of your site. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find a list of menu options. Look for the one labeled Plugins and click on it. This section is where you manage all the plugins installed on your WordPress site, allowing you to add new functionality and features as needed. From the submenu that appears, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the WordPress plugin repository where you can search for and install thousands of different plugins. Now you'll see a search bar in the upper right corner of the screen. Type Form Vibes into this search field. As you type, WordPress will automatically start displaying relevant results. Look through the search results and locate the Form Vibes plugin. It should appear near the top of the list with its distinctive icon and name clearly visible. Once you've found Form Vibes, you'll notice an Install Now button next to it. Click this button to begin the installation process. WordPress will download and install the plugin automatically, which typically takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection speed. You'll see the button text change to installing while this happens. After the installation completes, the button will transform into an Activate button. This is a crucial step because simply installing a plugin doesn't make it functional. Click on Activate to enable Form Vibes on your WordPress site. Once activated, the plugin will be ready to start capturing form submissions from any compatible forms you have on your site. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated Form Vibes in WordPress. The plugin is now ready to track and store all form submissions, giving you better control over your lead management and form data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.